Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Better Me Blossoming. My name is Elena, and on today's video, I'm going to do a grocery haul and some meal prepping, and I'm going to do a weigh-in and check-in and let you know how I am feeling on my second week of keto. So if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned. So it's my second week of being, or I just wrapped up my second week of being on keto. I'm currently starting my third week. If you haven't watched my first video, this is my notebook where I wrote down all my measurements and weight, and I wrote down any current health issues that I was having when I wrote this, which was on January 3rd. And I am looking over some of these, and a lot of them are gone. For instance, my gritty eyes, I would have really gritty, like sandy eyes, and my eyes would be red like by the time I went to bed. And yes, I do wear contacts, but I've never changed contacts. This is like a very recent thing for me, and that is something that has cleared up for me. The insomnia that I was having is another thing that I noticed I no longer have right now. Like when I go to bed, I sleep like a rock, and then I wake up feeling a lot less groggy than I used to. And I'm so surprised by this because I have heard and read on so many blogs that when you're on keto, it can cause insomnia, but it's kind of the reverse for me. I had it before, and now I am sleeping really, really good. My heartburn, that is the biggest thing. Okay, you guys, I had heartburn every single day. I would take Pepcid every single day without fail, which is not good. And I would just if I didn't take it, I would go to bed with heartburn. Sometimes even when I did take it, I would wake up and I would go to work out, and during my workout, I would have heartburn that made me feel like I was gonna throw up. It was so bad. So that is completely gone, and I am so happy about that. And that is despite, eating foods that have like tomatoes, a lot of tomatoes, or drinking apple cider vinegar. I thought that would cause heartburn like crazy, but with the keto diet, it really hasn't. My hot flashes, I wrote on here that I was having hot flashes, which is so true. My whole family would be freezing cold, and I would just be burning up. Like I could never cool down, always hot. And now I'm on point with everyone else. Like, is it cold in here to you guys? Yeah, it's cold in here to me too. When before I was saying, is it hot in here to y'all? And they'd be like, no, it's freezing. Don't touch the thermostat. So that has changed. So yeah, that's all so far that has changed. The headaches was the thing that improved on my first week. My headaches, I'm not having daily headaches anymore, which is amazing. So I'm really happy with that. Let's go weigh in real quick. So if you did the math, you'll see that I lost 4.6 pounds. So that is a total of, like 12 pounds in 2 weeks. That's amazing to me. And yes, I have been working out. I worked out 3 times last week, which is Orange Theory Fitness. That's what I do. It's an hour workout of cardio and a little bit of lifting weights, weight training. I did 3 of those workouts, and I did 1 insanity workout with my husband. That is what I did last week for working out. I stuck to keto. I did 2 meals a day plus coffee. Sometimes I had a snack in between. I think on one of the days I did have a snack in between. But yeah, that is awesome to me. I can't wait until next week. Like has been so exciting, just waiting. It's so hard to not touch that scale. I keep the scale down in my basement, hidden away, so that I have to physically go down there and pull it out on Monday. it makes it less tempting for me than having it in my bathroom, because I would definitely pop on there in the middle of the week, and that would not be as fun. So anyway, I'm going to now show you my grocery haul, and then right after that, I'm going to pop into my meal prepping. Here's my grocery haul from Trader Joe's, starting with these Carol's organic eggs. Here's some shiitake mushrooms. I'm going to make a keto pizza and put those on it. This is a frozen bag of mashed cauliflower. I'm going to make some keto shepherd's pie. I have 1 bag of onions and 1 bag of garlic. A head of green cabbage. I'm going to make some corned beef and cabbage in the crock pot. I have to go buy some corned beef from another store. I have a pack of green beans to go with steaks. And a pack of these tomatoes, kumado. I don't know how you pronounce those, but they're darker. They're really good. Here's some broccoli. I'm going to make a keto broccoli salad from a recipe that I found. And some fresh basil to put on the pizza and some other recipes that I'm going to make this week. I got these mainly for the rest of my family, some turkey meatballs. They are higher in carbs. I think there's like 3 carbs for every 2 meatballs. So yeah, I might just have like 2 of those. There's 3 Kerrygold butters. I use a lot of that. I'm going to try this almond cashew milk to see, if I like it and make some latte type drinks, but I'm not sure. It's just so low carb. I thought I would give it a try. 1 carb in 1 cup is really good. I got some olive oil. Here is, the first pack was turkey meatballs, and these are regular meatballs. They're the same carb count, though. Pretty kind of high in carbs, for me at least. Over here in dairy, I got some shredded mozzarella cheese, some shredded Swiss cheese and Gruyere cheese, which is really, really good. And then I got these mozzarella cheese like balls. I'm going to make some stuffed chicken with that. Here's some turkey breast deli meat. I got 2 types of bacon. This Black Forest one looked really, really good. It has 0 carbs, so I thought that I would try that. And then, of course, the no sugar bacon is always a good choice. I got these packs of hot dogs. I'm going to make a casserole with these, a chili dog casserole. And I got these steaks, 2 filet mignons and 1 ribeye. And those are going to go with the green beans. These are langostino. I think that's how you pronounce it. They're like a mix between a lobster and a shrimp, but they're really, really good. I got these 2 ground beefs, 1 for my meal prepping you'll see in a minute, and 1 for the shepherd's pie that I mentioned. And these 2 packs of chickens, I'm going to make stuffed mozzarella like cheese sticks with those. And this is for dipping. I'm only going to have a little bit of this because it does have carbs in it still. And then I have, let's see, this Alfredo pasta sauce. I'm going to have on top, I'm going to spread it over my pizza instead of regular pizza sauce because it's much lower in carbs. And that's my grocery haul. Let's do the meal prep now. Okay, so I'm now in the kitchen. I have my meal prep containers ready. I'm going to be doing 4 with this meal. Let me flip this around. Here are all my ingredients. I have some ground beef, a bag of vegetable slaw, some sesame oil. This will actually go on after it's cooked on the top. So salt, coconut aminos, which is the keto soy sauce substitute, some ground ginger, and a little bit of olive oil. I've added the ground beef, and I'm just going to cook this down until it's halfway done, and then I'm going to add my coleslaw mix in. Okay, that looks like it's about halfway done. I'm going to go ahead and lower the heat to about a medium. And I'm going to dump the coleslaw mix in. This will reduce in size once the cabbage and everything softens up. Go ahead and mix this together. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And give it just a little quick stir. And then set a lid on top just to steam those veggies and finish cooking that meat. Okay, and while that's cooking down, I'm going to add half a cup of the coconut aminos. And then about 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. And I'm going to mix that up. And I took the lid off, and you can see like the cabbage has significantly decreased and softened up. Oh, this smells so good. Now you're going to take that sauce that you mixed up and pour it over and give it a good mix. And then you're going to set the lid back on top of this and let it cook down for another 3 minutes. All right, let's check it. This looks delicious. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So you're gonna just take any kind of a slotted spoon that you have and dish them up into your containers. And here we go. Here's the finished product. I'm letting these cool off. These containers are BPA free, so you can even reheat them in the microwave if you want to. What I'm going to be doing with these is making lettuce wraps. So I cut and pre-washed my lettuce wrap leaves, and I have a paper towel in there to absorb all the moisture, and I'm also going to keep this open in the refrigerator so that they maintain their crunch. And when I serve them up, that's when I'm going to be drizzling the sesame oil over top, and I'll also have my sesame seeds. I'll sprinkle some sesame seeds on there, and then let me grab the sauce that I'm going to be using. This is the sauce that I will be putting on top. It's called Sesame Yuzu Everything Sauce, Sir Kensington's, and it is 0 carbs. I don't know if you can see that. 0 carbs. And it is delicious. It tastes kind of like a zingy yum yum sauce. So I'm going to be sprinkling this or drizzling it all over my lettuce wraps. And yeah, that is it. That is my food prep for lunch for this week. So that's all I have for you on this update, this video today. I'll be making another video later on in this week of what I eat in a day. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more like this, please subscribe to my channel down below and hit the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And follow me on Instagram at BetterMeBlossoming, and I will see you next time. Bye.